Hello everyone. So this is the first lecture. I mean, it's not the actual first lecture, but I have started the new playlist for CAD. So most of the students face difficulties. So in this course, I'll teach you how to solve these sums in the book and also in the software. So basically, it's not that difficult for you to understand anything. So basically now, I'll be showing you how to solve these sums in software. At the same time, I'll also explain you how can you do like a trick to do in your notebook, and also there will be a video where I'll be solving the same sums in the notebook. So let's start with the projection of planes. As you can see here, this is the sum: an equilateral triangle of lamina 25 side lies with on one of its edges. So they have said one of its edges. Sometimes they might say it rests on the corner A, or it will rest on the edge AB. So at that time you cannot just write A, B, C like this. So here AB means that this side is still resting, right? So it should be shown like that. Okay, and see, the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. The edge on which it rests is inclined to VP at 60 degree. Draw the projection. So see, HP 60 degree and VP 60 degree. So there's horizontal plane and vertical plane. So let's start and solve this problem. As you can see, I have this software. Though the version may vary, but it's not that different. So okay, just a second. I'll just zoom it properly. Fine. So first you have to draw a line, which is nothing but your XY line. So for right now, ignore about the what to say thickness of this line. I can simply, if I press escape, I can simply go to the properties, tap the lines, and width. I can simply so it's a 0.5 mm. So basically, if you want to know what is the basic thickness, so XY line is 0.15. So we have to change this into 0.15 and hit enter. So see, automatically this is the HY line, and you can see here there is this letters and all like here. So if you type this and tap here, so you have to tap HP. So the length of this is too much, so I have to reduce it. So okay, if I press escape, text scale, so it's 3. What if I turn it to 1? Okay, it's better, right? So there are scales for this too, like how you have to do, and you have to move this. You can't simply drag it. Okay. Oh, you can actually drag it. Sorry, because in the previous software you had to use this move tool here. Then you have to do, and then again I'll tap out like this. Tap here and say VP, and this I'll make it as 1. Hit enter. Okay, so I have to do like that. Sorry for this. What to say slowness. Okay, I'll drag it here. Okay, so just a second, let me check whether the above one is HP and the below one is VP itself. Yeah, that's correct. So ignore, I won't be writing this X, Y, and all the namings. You can just do that, what to say, by your own, right? If I show you the diagram at the end. So I'll just start with the, what to say, explain like doing the diagram. So what it said, a triangle. Side, I don't remember the side, but I'll just take it as 30, okay? So I just hit enter of 30. So here 30 is too small. Fine. I'll zoom in a little. Okay. Hmm. So now I'll select a line. Let's take 50, right? So I'll tap 50. Yeah. So and hit. Then I have to again tap 50, enter, 30 degree, done. So this is our triangle. So if I take like this, so this is the property style. So width of all the lines. So this is the visible lines, right? So it should be zero point 0.4. So I'll give enter. So it is 0.40 mm. Done. Then these are the projection lines. So one projection will go from here till here. Okay. Another projection is from this side till this side, exactly on the XY line. And then one will go here because this is the front top view. This part, as you can see, this part is a top view, and here just a line, it is just a lamina, right? Like a plate. If you see from the front, it is just a plate like a scale. So that is your front view. Next, what it said was this line is there, right? This line is inclined to HP at 60 degrees. So what you have to do, select this move option on the copy one. So if you turn on the copy thing, so it will just copy it and select from where you have to copy. So I have to copy from this line. So I'll just paste it like this over here. Done. Now what I have to do, rotate. In rotate, don't make the copy thing on. Let it be off. Select the line you have to rotate. Select the edge. This to this edge I have to rotate. Now I have to rotate this. What automatically it goes to signal angle thing. Just tap 60 and hit enter and right click. Done. So here you have smart dimension. So if you click, okay, sorry, I have to take from this, right, angle between. I have to tap this and tap this. See, 60 degree mentioned over. So then I have to draw some projections. So this I'll, if I just tap like this now, it will come like that. Array, it's see. I'll bring this till here, and then this line I'll bring just till here, because since I have done this a lot of times, so I'm not extending line so much because it's not necessary at all for me. Then I have to draw lines like this, then I have to draw lines like this. So see, actually this is here A, B, C, and here it is A. Okay, so since it's a beginning, I will have to type. Okay, so it's 1, right? So here I'll type it as A, here I'll type it as B, and here I'll type it as C. Okay, then here it will be hot. So since we are seeing from this side, right? So A is visible but B is not visible because we can just see this side. So I'll write A, but I'll open the bracket, and sorry, since it is above the XY line, you will always put a dash for the letter. So it is A dash. In the bracket, I'll write B dash. Array, it didn't come in the bracket. Fine, no problem. Okay, then here I'll just write C dash. Okay, same thing. So I'll just copy it now. I'll move it with the copy thing. This, like this, like this. Done. And then same way I'll have to copy this also, right? I'll copy it and put it here, and I'll copy this, put it here. Then I'll copy this, put it here. Then I'll go to line. I have to join it, right? So one from here till here, then till see this point, then again this point. So this is my triangle, right? So now what I'll do, I'll press escape, I'll tap on control to select all the lines, because these are the projection lines. And array, okay, so even these are the projection lines, and I don't want them to be, what to say, dark. So I'll go here, I'll tap it. So the projections are 0.05 mm. I'll hit enter. Since this line I couldn't how to say select, I'll just 0.05, hit enter. If I do zoom out, okay, it's very weird, like zooming feature in this. Okay, no problem. Done. Hide it. Okay, okay, so I can just do like this. Done. So now as you can see, okay, these lines, I think they are 0.04 mm. Oh no, they are 0.05. I'll select this, also this, and also this line, and I'll make it 0.4. Okay, done. Enter. Done. So now what they have said, they have also said from HP it was 60, right? And they've also said from VP it is 60. So I'll just drag a line, okay, and I'll say like 100, okay, but the angle it should be minus 60. So I'll write minus, I'll just type minus 60, okay. You can't see the keyboard. I'm just typing minus 60. That's why. That's it. Okay. Then since this line is too much, what to say, towards what to say, the actual drawing, so I'll just click this and move this, taking this edge I'll move it till here. Now I'll have to move again, but I'll select many lines this time. 1, 2, 3. I have to move this. I'll turn on the copy part. Then what they have said is this edge is there, right? It has tilted 60 degree. So actually we didn't have to move that so much. No problem. I'll copy it like this and I'll paste it here. I just want to what to say, make it look neat. So I'll move again, and but I'll turn off the copy thing. Keep it here itself. Now I'll move this whole thing with this part and I'll paste it on the what to say line. Then I'll have to select the rotate option. Same way I have to like select these three things, but I have to select a side from which I have to rotate. So I have to rotate this side, right, on the line. Okay. Then there should be an option of trimming somewhere, extend to next. Nah, split. Oh, there is a split option where you can just split the line. Sometimes, yeah, trim. So if I tab like this, yeah, see, it's not that. I mean, it's not that complicated. It's just simple. Now I have to draw a line, style of 0.05 mm. Okay, so these are the projections, right? So this is A, B, C, right? So this is A, this is B, this is C. So I will have to draw the projection. So this is the A1. A rests on the XY line, right? So I won't take it till so up this one till C. I'll just take it till the line. So this is my A, this is my B. So both have gone till the XY line. Now this is a C part. So for C, I won't take it so like near till the XY line. I'll just take it here. Done. Now I have to take projections from here as well. Since this is on the XY line, I don't need. So now I'll change this since I have to draw now visible edges. So I'll make it as 0.04. So 0.4, sorry. Hit enter and then now draw 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. Control Z. I did not select the tip properly. Done. So now I just have to do the naming. So now I'll select the move thing with the copy on. B goes here, A goes here, C goes here, C dash goes here. Sometimes what you can do, you can simply tap here and tap like this so that you can place it accurately. Okay. Now I can't just copy paste it directly over here because I have to type again because now I can what to say discriminate it. So here this is the B dash. So I'll write B dash. Then I have to type here. So I'll type A dash. Escape. Move option. Turn off the copy thing. Since it is not that neat, I'll just make it look neat. Done. So then I'll have what to say split option. I'll just take where it was split. I'll split this line till here. See, then I'll escape, tab this line, delete. So this was the HPVP part. Array, why am I not able to move it? Whatever. So I have to type. Okay, I have to type XY also. So here I'll type X. Here I'll type Y. Escape. So they have to be in caps. Okay. Move. Copy is off. Okay, X is here. Make sure it is a capital, even a HPVP. So don't say me key, what to say, I did not teach you properly. Then we have to mention the, what to say, dimensions also, right? So I'll put here, smart dimension, I'll do like this. Okay. Then where else do I have to put dimensions? No, that's it. 1, 2, 3, etc. Over. So I don't think any else is required. So this was the basic part of your, what to say, triangular lamina. So in the next video there will be a different shape of the lamina, and we'll keep on moving from lamina to solids. From solids we'll go to development, and then from development we'll go to isometrics. I'm not going to teach points and lines because I don't think that's required, because you'll always have an option in which the first question will have two sub questions, A points, B lines, and or option with the planes. So who would go for points and lines? It's very simple and easy to do planes. So that's it for this question. We'll move on to the next question in the next lecture. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and like the channel because 95% of the analytics says that out of 100%, like almost 10,000 people watch, 10,000 views. I recently got 32,000 views, but in that just 4% were the subscribers, and remaining were all non-subscribers. It's fine. My just main motive is to help you all, but it will be good if you just like, subscribe, and share it to your friends. Bye bye.